This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Bethany White. Beautiful unit that backs up to the woods. This unit is a very private back-end unit. The Manchester model. Gorgeous 2 BDR, 2.5 bath floor plan. Downstairs media room/office that can be a third bedroom. Gourmet kitchen with stainless steel appliances and a large walk-in pantry. LVP floors throughout the entire downstairs. Primary bedroom west/a sitting room. Luxurious primary bath west/separate shower and tub and a huge walk-in closet and linen closet. All bedrooms are well-sized with lots of natural light. Fenced patio with shed. Easy access to interstates, military bases, pools, and shopping. Condo fees include Clubhouse, ground maint, pool, trash pickup, water. Designated parking, excess parking available. For more information, review the details below.